if you're given something like this here, this one here looks quite simple, but it's actually quite complicated. So here you've got a divide line here. So visualize it as one bubble at the top, dividing by the bubble at the bottom. Okay. And also look at this square root sign. You've got a long line. So what that means is this exists inside a bubble here. So so hang on. So visualize it as, for the time being, visualize it as this bubble divided by this bubble. Okay, you're trying to make x the subject, but x is stuck in the bottom bubble. So let's get it on top first, and then we can kill off the. Well, we can't really kill off this bubble because x is at the bottom. Okay, we can't get rid of the bottom bubble because x is in there. So let's take the reciprocal both sides. So here, when you take the reciprocal y, it will be 1 over y, and then this one here, basically these two will switch around. Okay, hang on. So it will be b root 2 plus x 3a here. Okay, you are just taking the reciprocal both sides. So now visualize it as this. You've got one bubble dividing it by this bubble here. So let's times both sides by this bubble here. Okay. So hang on, let me think. So yeah, so you times this bubble here, so it will go, it will get multiplied to the top. So it will be 3a over y, and over here it will be b root 2 plus x. Okay. Now visualize it as this one bubble multiplying this bubble here. Okay. So kill off the b by dividing both sides by b, because at the moment the two bubbles are multiplying each other. So kill off the b, divide both sides by b. So when you divide, you've got a fraction, you divide by b, it gets multiplied to the bottom. So it would be this, yb or by. We should keep it alphabetical. Well, it doesn't matter. Okay, so this one here, it will be root 2 plus x. Okay, and now here visualize as this. So let's square both sides. So now square both sides. It will be so here you've got a fraction times by itself. So it will be 9a squared, and so here, hang on, let me do this. 3a over yb times 3a over yb. Now 3 times 3 is 9. Okay. A times a will be a squared here. Now y times y will be y squared, and then b times b will be b squared. Okay, this would be 2 plus x. Now visualize it as this, one bubble here. Get rid of this one, so take away 2 from both sides. So it will be 9a squared over this, hang on, and then you take away 2 equals x. You could leave it as this, but I like to merge it into one fraction. So I'm going to write the 2 as 2 over 1, and then this will be this over a y squared b squared, and then times top and bottom here by y squared b squared times here y squared b squared. Okay. So this fraction here would be this, would be 2 times y squared b squared would be 2y squared b squared. The bottom will be y squared b squared. Well, this one remains the same, so it would be 9 squared. Well, blah blah blah. So it would be this. So now the two denominators are the same. Can you see that? This one here and this one here. Now that the two denominators are the same, we can merge. So at the bottom it will still be the same. At the top it will be 9a squared minus 2y squared b squared. It might look messier, but it's actually one fraction. Up here, you're pretty much done. I know this looks neater, but here you've got two blocks, if you like. We can merge into one. Okay. If hang on, let's go back in time. So here, if this is a minus, hang on. If this is a minus here, then it's slightly more complicated because you got to get rid of this, get rid of this, get rid of this, and then you will visualize as 2 minus x. Then what you have to do is you've got to move the x. Sorry, you've got to move this x to the other side by adding x, and then move all the other rubbish back over the other side so that x is on its own. Because you don't want minus x equals something. Yeah, it doesn't matter if you don't understand it when this is a minus. Okay, don't worry about it if you don't understand it.